is our first night of my bachelorette party and we are in Turks and Caicos. You guys, today has been literally the best day ever. It has also been the funniest day. I don't know if you guys have seen the videos I've been posting of Spencer, but today our theme is One Less Lonely Girl and it exceeded all my expectations. We are just getting dinner tonight at the hotel and our theme is still One Less Lonely Girl. So I'm not really sure what kind of makeup goes with One Less Lonely Girl. I'm thinking I want to do like something ethereal, natural, glowy, bronzy skin. My skin has legitimately been going through it the past like week. I don't know if you guys remember me posting that makeup I broke up with video. I think it's because of that. I have really rediscovered my love for the LYS bronzer stick this week. This legitimately, I think, is one of the best cream bronzers ever. I don't know why I forgot about it, but I can't stop using it now. I think for tonight, I want to go with Toasted Teddy for blush to do something very bronzy. Also very fitting to use Rhode when our theme is One Less Lonely Girl. Use the smallest amount of my product concealer. Always take my little one size translucent powder anytime I travel, especially right now. I need this because it is very humid here. A little bit of this Hourglass blush. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but how cute is this? Makeup by Mario sent this. It says Miss Gothberg on it. I feel like all of the wedding stuff is finally feeling like really real. Like this is the first of our celebrations and we are getting married in 55 days. How was that real? It has flown by. Just gonna add a little bit of dimension to the outer parts of the eye. This Lancome brown liner. It's been so much fun so far to just post like so many fun random TikToks, like not what I usually would post. I'm not kidding. This Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner is one of the best drugstore liners out there. Doing a full drugstore lip today using this NYX lip glaze. Let's lock this all in. Alright guys, here is the final glam. I honestly love this and I love my outfit for tonight, so stay tuned. And stay tuned for more Bachelorette content.